It's 97.0 FM Radio and Sound. This is where the hit is on. You are hearing a song from Xhosa Language. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of that. Yes, we are here to preach it. We are here for it. The gospel of Jah. Greetings to you. The Sabbath has begun. Kubona bonke abagcina imini yesabatha. Sithi ke imini yesabatha ke mayibe ngcwele kubona bonke. Yeah man, I told you, I promised you ukuthi usuku namhlanje we do have Furah Dread esinaye kulona kusuku. Yeah, we usually do have Furah whenever he has a new song noma ke anything athe wayirelease akalaza lenze iphutha ukuthi ke angabi nathi. He is from Ebizana, so today we do have him noma ke ikanjani. I told you last week ukuthi ke sizokwazi ukuthi ke sibe naye Furah. Greetings my brother, how are you doing?
Greeting in the name of Furah Music, FURAH Love, hashtag 2021. Yes, I'm good.
Yes, sir, you are good. I can see you are right. You are feeling well as well. Yeah. So, what's up? What are you doing? How are you feeling? What are you up to? It's been a long time since I sibe ndawonye.
Hayi no, into sihamba kakuhle no ke empilweni. Umuntu saphilile kodwa ke maniqale ngibulise kuba phulaphuli be Radio Sunny South. Yes, kuba kuyo yonke indawo nasebizana na international apho ifikelela khona iRadio Sunny South kuyo yonke indawo.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Thanks my brother. Kumnandi kuba now last time we were together, there was a song that we keep like it Heart is Mad. That song, how is it doing? Injani ngoma yakho?
Heart is Mad. Hayi wenza kabuhle kakhulu nokho. Wenza kabuhle kakhulu. Benimkhuphe last year yena. Belandela People Must Stop and nimkhuphe last year ngo 30 June. Yeah, benseke sapromote yena nangoku. Yes, hayi uyadlala uhamba kakhulu nase radio station. Hayi usahamba kahle kakhulu even international. Yeah, the song has got so many love and so many listeners.
Yeah, you love being international.
Yes,
you love being international. So, how many countries just go to kudlala khona noma ingoma yakhe yazwakala khona international?
Yo, so many countries.
Yeah, how many?
Let's just say continents. Let's talk about continents. I think in all 7 continents.
Yeah, yeah,
Nigeria, Africa, Kenya is Nigeria, Zambia, US, England. All countries hide, even on the island.
Yeah,
yes,
I've seen
and the
it.
song has once been a hit song on the radio station. I think it's 5 times. In a week.
Yeah, which radio?
At Radio Mix. From Macedonia. New Macedonia.
Yeah, I know New Macedonia. I know.
And another one in England at Upside.
Yeah.
Upside Radio. Yeah. Nobalga sayikhumbule kabuhle uyipela kabuhle, and also in which one in Belgium.
Yeah.
And Belgium it was Radio Pieto. That language. I don't know how to spell that
I
name.
know language inzima but I've seen it kade ithanda kakhulu. So I want to give abantu ke that song of Heart is Mighty kuyona ke last one uthe wayikhipha. Ngisafuna ukwazi ukuthi ke wena we going to hear a new one from this one. So but let's go to it. You hear it, my brother. You heard it from the first time uqala ukizwa le ngoma. It was here kule Sunset, is it?
Yes, I think it's the first time I dropped the song here.
Yeah, and it came here.
Yeah.
It's Furah Dread. We have Heart is Mighty. So you can even follow yours and hear yours. So good to get what is it saying to you. And it's also good to know what transpired it.
Sometimes people fall in love with people
Ibhekise kanje injani futhi right sakubona ibhekise kakuwe kulele mina ngithanda ikamera kakhulu mina
Ithanda kakhulu.
hayi kamera ke kamera bazobe siguquke yabo
Okay.
ngitshela manje
and their minds. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. They fight for them, thinking it's true love. Really is false love. They start by thinking before they fall in love. They can't just fall in love without start by thinking. That's why I say heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love.
It's 97.0 FM. You are singing along to it. The heart is mine. The heart is smart. It's hard to find true love. Yeah. I passed the going down ngabona ukuthi bahle abantu besifazane la ngaphandle but to find love it's very hard. Let's do.
Yes,
So
sir.
le ngoma le isukela this song.
This song,
Yeah.
Heart is Smart, it's talking about love, which is something difficult to find it. So it talk about a true love that is hard to find. So people in life, they want to be loved.
Yeah.
Yeah, but most of the time they meet with wrong people. Yeah, someone will think I got the right person.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go far with this relationship. I'm gonna get married. I'm gonna go far. But at the end, someone will be stressful, break up, and all of that. And some people are killed by the people who they think they are in love with.
Yeah.
Who's supposed to love them. So this song is talking about two things: love